If you like plain waffles, then you need to keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make waffle. It's so easy. So I'm going to be using some spoons of flour. I'm using 4 spoons of flour, and I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm adding my baking powder at this point, and I'm just going to mix it. See, it's quite easy. So in a cup, I'm adding my milk. You can use evaporated milk, you can use condensed milk. Now I'm adding my egg. I'm using just 1 egg, and I'm going to be adding my vanilla essence just to give it that nice aroma. I'm going to be adding my melted butter at this point, and of course giving it a whisk. And after that, I'll be pouring it into my flour. So this is just it basically, and I'm going to give this a mix. I'm going to be doing just 2 waffles, so this is why it is this small. If you want your waffles to be softer, you can add more water to it like I'm doing now, although this is still a bit thick. But if you want it thinner, you can always add more water. So this is my waffle maker. It's so cute. It's a lilac color waffle maker, and I got it from a store. I'm going to be adding the description below. So now I'm going to be putting a bit of butter into my waffle maker, and I'm going to be adding my mixture, my flour mixture into it. So that's it guys, and I'm just going to bake it. So our waffle is ready, and it is as plain can be. I love my waffles plain. You may want to add fruit, you may want to add whipped cream, but I just love to bite into my waffles as it is. Isn't this pretty guys? It is so beautiful. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.